In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attend Google Meet in laptop. To begin, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet and you have a web browser open, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. The most direct way to join a meeting is through the link that comes with your invitation. Open the email or calendar event where the meeting was shared, then click the Google Meet link provided there. This will usually open a new browser tab and take you straight to the meeting page. If you do not have the invitation link handy, you can still get to Google Meet from the web. Open a new tab and go to Google by typing google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser, then press Enter. Once you are on the Google homepage, click into the search box. Now type Google Meet or simply type meet.google.com and then press Enter. Look for the official Google Meet site in the results and open it. This brings you to the Google Meet landing page, where you can prepare to enter your meeting. From here, you will see an option to join a meeting. Click on Join. Depending on how your meeting is set up, you may be asked to enter a meeting code or continue with the meeting link you already have. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the preview screen. Before you enter, take a moment to check your camera and microphone. If your audio or video does not work, confirm that your browser has permission to use your microphone and camera. It also helps to close other apps that might be using the camera, like other video call tools, since they can block access. When you are ready, continue into the meeting and wait to be admitted if the organizer requires approval. And that is all there is to it.